Welcome to Vertigo Systems, a channel dedicated for the latest digital signage solution. One of the frequently asked questions when we meet client is, how to choose between video wall and LED display? Which one is better? Today, we will answer these questions with the MB World case study at Danga Bay, Johor. There was a 3x3 55-inch video wall setup at the Danga Bay showroom. But most of the screens were malfunctioned with only 3 units that can be turned on. Most of the screens are out of alignment also. We need to bring the display back to operation as soon as possible. Now the question is, shall we use video wall or LED display? The answer is, it depends. Video wall comes with thin bezel but high resolutions. Meanwhile, LED is seamless bezel and the pixel pitch will determine the viewing distance. So pro tips. For larger showroom with viewing distance above 3 meters, LED works better, and visual will be seamless and high impact for luxury feel and branding. Video walls often come with high resolutions, full HD or 4K, LCD. It is suitable for dashboard with fine text or small details. So pro tips. For smaller room with shorter viewing distance, between 1 to 2 meters, and viewer is closed to display. Video wall is better as it can show crisp text and image. However, fine pitch LED P1.25 to 1.5 are gaining popularity nowadays for smaller showroom. An alternative for clients who does not like the thin bezel in video wall setup. One major advantage of LED is its flexibility, ideal for creative shapes like curved walls or pillar wraps where video walls simply can't be used. For MB World Showroom, the clear winner is LED display. So we quickly get down to work by first removing all the video walls piece by piece to test which is still working and repurpose to other area. Second step is to install LED bracket, and subsequently, third step is mounting of power adapter, connecting cable and receiving cards. Fourth step is installing LED module. When modules are fully installed, we will perform color calibration and visual test. In the MB World Showroom makeover, the thin bezel video wall was replaced by a seamless LED display, creating a luxurious and premium brand experience. Besides the LED display, we upgraded to a new digital signage player with a cloud-based CMS, making it easy to upload content anytime, anywhere. We also installed a new amplifier to boost audio performance on the existing speakers. Finally, let's enjoy the magnificent LED display, designed to enhance MB World's branding and create an unforgettable experience for property buyers. Thank you for watching the video. For more information about our future project, subscribe to our YouTube channel.